friends, today is a new day and we are on our way to our neighborhood Christmas little party. They have a bounce house, Santa, face painting, balloons, the whole shebang. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
On this night, people have come together in the square. White light flakes of snow are falling through the air. There is laughter and singing and clapping along. So we'll hear the ringing of church bells ding dong. They're ringing out for Christmas, a message we all need.
We have made it back home, right you guys? Say, look, we have a candy cane.
We have candy cane. You know,
And we lost power. Oh no! So, that's okay. We still got a lot to do without power, like fold clothes, put away clothes, organize upstairs because we have been neglecting it since my husband has been sick, but he is no longer sick and we're able to clean upstairs. So, that's what we're gonna do.
It may seem like you're under some kind of a spell. You're walking on sunshine, feeling extra well. You're all smiles, happy as you can be. Feels like a dream, but can't you see that it's just me? It's just me. Yeah, it's just me. Yeah, I have that effect on people. It really is just me. You probably feel like you've been blessed by the gods above. You're riding high and your heart is full of love. You're bubbling over with joy, just like
You guys, I am running against the clock here. We still have no power and the sun is going away. Oh no. There's so much I need to do in these drawers. I'm literally just stuffing stuff in there. This coming week, I'm gonna try to focus on doing a declutter of a lot of their clothes. A lot of them don't fit, a lot of them are damaged, just like stained. Then I'm like, you know what? I never use this. It needs to go. Bathing suits are still in their drawers. I know we live in Florida, but still, we don't go in the water during this season. So I need to like take all that out and put their winter stuff, like pants, sweaters, nicely organized so that way I know where all that stuff is, because right now I'm just like putting it on top of bathing suits. I'm putting it wherever I can fit it, to be honest. That's just a reality sometimes. So I really need to just go through that. Also, these closets, we really need to focus on just redoing. There's clothes in there that is like from baby season and they don't even wear it. Stuff they never even got to wear. It just really needs to be organized well so that we can take full benefit. So some of this stuff I have to hang and I'm gonna have to like take out a lot of the baby stuff to hang this stuff.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer.
Wow, that was a long time. Now we put it away. We have our headphones on. We're gonna listen to a book. I have to sort through all of this. We have like a whole bunch of towels from our closet, but it's getting overrun, you guys. And I have to donate some of them, stuff that I know I just won't use. There's some stuff that we're gonna keep, just cause, you know, they're cute and I still use them a lot. But that's the task for now. All right, we got most of it clean at the bottom. I still have to put all the towels and our sheets organized up here, but it was just all over the place. Ah, yes. It is finally organized. So much better.
So long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. I'm trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I'm trying to show you, but somehow fail. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the forest. I'm trying to tell you in every way, but now I get done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe.
All right, we have finished cleaning. It is getting late. I gotta work on dinner, but it looks so much better. There is one basket of laundry I have to get to. Everything else is put away. It's good, you guys. It's manageable now, because before it was a hot mess. Express train up here, like it was insane and it was driving me crazy. I had to vacuum because there's so much dust. One of the things I think we're gonna do probably this winter break is change that room to floor, because my son is deathly allergic to dust mites. He has really severe asthma. We can't seem to get it under control. It's gotten better, but it's still not under control. And I feel like whenever that room gets dusty, it like just really triggers him. He does not stop coughing. So I think one thing we're gonna do in that room specifically is put flooring. Eventually I would like this room and our room. I don't know, it needs to be done because he does not stop coughing at night when he goes to sleep, especially in that room. And I'm pretty sure it's just all the dust. They like to play before sleep, and I think the dust just kind of goes everywhere, and it's just really a big headache. When he's downstairs, he's fine. He like rarely coughs. He coughs still, but like not as much as when he's upstairs. But alas, that is another day's problem. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave you guys here because it's been a long day. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.